everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of FASHOM, and I'm also going to try on the items. I've actually already tried them on, so I will insert clips as we go. There are landscapers outside, that's why I did the try-on portion first, but I think that might work out. I'm excited to see how this video turns out, but I would love to know your feedback. But first, let's talk about FASHOM. If you do not know what it is a styling service. It's not necessarily a subscription because it doesn't like auto renew or anything like that. It just sends you a box, or they just send you a box when you request one, so that is great. So your very first styling fee is free. I do have a link, a referral link that I will leave down below that will get you $10 credit towards your purchases. So for your first fix, so I said fix, I have to stop that. So for your first box, your first styling session, so you get your first styling session free, and then you'll get $10 credit. So if you guys are interested, definitely take advantage of that. After your first styling session, it is $15 and per session, and that $15 can be applied towards anything you buy. So it's like credit, which is great. And I find that the pieces they ship are much more affordable than other styling services I've used. So they send you 5 items, and 2 days before they ship them, the stylist actually sends you a preview. They send you about like 7 items or so, and you get to select 5 of them to try. So it is customized as well, and it's also based on a styling survey. So when you sign up, you will complete the survey telling them more about your style, your sizing for everything, and also your preferred price range. So I think it's really great. It's free shipping both ways, so there will be a mailer bag inside that's already pre-labeled that you can ship anything you don't want to keep. Another perk with this subscription is with this styling service, I'm sorry, subscription is just such a word I use all the time. So if you keep 3 items, you save 25%, and if you keep all 5, you save 30% off your total. So that is great. All the other styling services I've used, you had to keep everything to get a discount, so that is awesome. They also cater to a wide size range, so they have petite, like normal sizing, plus size, and maternity. So again, I'm gonna link them down below and you can claim that credit, but let's get started. So this is the box my items came in. And again, I got 5 items, and it is very customized, you can tell shortly. But right on top we have this card that says thank you, and then there's an invoice inside. And on here there is a note from my stylist. It actually shows you all the pieces and gives you the pricing, and also tells you if you keep everything what the discount will be. So let's see what my stylist said. So it says, "Hi Kitty, your February fashion box has arrived." So I am opening this a little late. If you guys don't know, I was sick for a few weeks, but I'm back at it. It says, "In it you will find some chic, stylish, and figure-flattering fashion exclusives that will be great new additions to your wardrobe. I love the colors and patterns in this box. Crescent coral floral woven maxi dress is one of my personal favorites. Perfect pair of sandals or sneakers. I hope you enjoy trying everything on, and I can't wait to see what works." So the average price, it looks like on here, I can actually do the math and tell you, but everything is in the $30 or $40 range, which is like my budget. 'Cause I use other styling services and they're like $100 items or $80 for like a shirt, and that's just personally not something I can afford at this time. So I really appreciate that they offer items that are both cute and affordable. So let me get the average price for my styling session this time. So the average price is $41.60. So for all 5 items, the total would be $208. But if I say I wanted to keep all of them, I would save $62.40 and pay $145.60. So if I do want to keep everything, I think for 5 items that isn't too bad. And again, when you sign up, you let them know your pricing preferences. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and here is the mailing bag to return everything. It's huge, so you don't have to worry about like everything fitting and all of that. You just drop it off in your mailbox if it fits, or USPS, post office. So the first item, we got 4 dresses by the way, and 1 pair of shorts. And here is the first dress. It's by I Love Joa. I really like the print of this. Again, I'm gonna insert a clip of me trying it on. It was a little tight in the bust, so I would really appreciate your feedback if you think it looks okay, if it looks a little tight. That's a common problem I have. I am a little busty. Everything I got is like a size large, just if you wanna know my sizing. So the iJoa High-Low Maxi Dress is $37, and I think the print is beautiful. So yeah, I don't know, I might have to try it on, see what I think, and when I'm looking at the editing footage, I can see if I would love your feedback as well. The next item I tried is actually the pair of shorts I mentioned, and I did not think I would like them, or I thought they would be too big on me based on the size, but they actually fit well. And so they're these red shorts here, and these are by Dash, and these are 98% cotton, 2% spandex, and it says it has jade tummy control, so it sits at the natural waist and adjustable leg roll, so I guess you can adjust this here. There's a little button. I thought the length was actually great. So yeah, it says tummy control. I didn't really notice that, I'll have to look at it, but it did fit. It's like a little bit stretchy on top. But I actually did really like these, so you guys have to let me know what you thought. So these shorts, the Dash linen shorts, are $48. The next dress I tried on, this was just too tight in the bust. Like, there's no way I can get this to work. It is like a pretty like yellow, like mustardy color. And all of these, I think, by the way, are like perfect for spring. And if you don't know, I do live in Southwest Florida. Like, let me see, the temperature right now in the morning at 10 a.m. is 80 degrees. The high is 83. So like, these are all weather appropriate. So I really appreciate that. Some other styling services I've used, they sent me like jackets and stuff. I'm like, don't you see this address you're shipping to? I'm like, I live where it's hot all year round. So just if you're wondering why I'm getting such summery things, plus it's March, so spring is right around the corner. So yeah, I think this is really cute, but it just didn't really fit me. This is by Middo Shop, if I'm saying that correctly. Middo Shop is a premier women's young contemporary line for the fashion-forward and the free-spirited modern lady. All clothes are manufactured in the Los Angeles area. And this V-neck pleated front sleeveless pocket dress. I didn't even realize there's pockets. I love a dress with pockets. This is $35. And there is an inner lining in that as well. The next item, the last, oh no, it's not the last item. I'm wearing the last item. Is a dress I think is so pretty. I don't think it's something I would wear all the time, but I think it might be really pretty for Easter. I know my family will be in town. Like, look at this print. It's a maxi dress. It's really like flowy, but it's kind of like cinched at the waist here. There's an inner lining. I like it. So you guys have to let me know if you think it looks good on me. Hopefully it doesn't make me look like too large, because sometimes things can do that, but I like how it's cinched at the waist, so hopefully it does not. But this is the Chris and Carol floral woven maxi dress, and this is $45. So yeah, I'm thinking I might want to keep this for spring for, like, you know, Easter events, stuff like that. I know I keep saying this, but I really would appreciate your input and what you think I should keep and what looks good on me, because sometimes it's good to hear other people's perspectives. And the last item I kept on, I definitely want to keep this, I think. This is by White Birch. It's the Hannah floral print dress, and it's navy and floral, and it is $43. And I love this. So you'll see a clip, but I think it looks good. I like the V-neck cut. It's like not too V-neck. Like, again, I keep saying I'm pretty busty. Like, sometimes things, like, no matter what I wear, just look a little too revealing. But I think this is super cute. Again, this is like kind of like a faux wrap dress, because it's kind of cinched here, and there's like this little string here, and it kind of slits in the middle, and it's a little short there, but it's long enough in the back. So I really like this. I think it's really comfortable. I'm going out to lunch in like 2 hours, and I think I'm just gonna keep it on. That's why I kept it on, because I really like it, and I think I definitely want to keep this one, but I still would appreciate your feedback. I'm hoping to post this the same day I'm filming. We'll see how everything goes. But yeah, so that was everything. I think this was the best fashion box I've gotten. I've received at least 2 other ones in the past, and one was really good and one was like just okay, but I think this one is the best. And I think I've had the same stylist every time, Morgan, but I think she did a really good job this time. Like, I say this with every styling service, like, it takes kind of like a few of them for the stylist to get to know your style. Like, you definitely should take time and fill out the style profile as well, like, you know, as complete as possible. But when you check out, you give feedback and then they can get to know what you want. And you can also ask for specific things. I think I asked for more like casual, comfy dresses that I can wear from like day to night. And I think she did a great job. And I'm really surprised that I like the shorts, because I love how sometimes they like throw in something you normally wouldn't get. Like all the dresses I think was something I would try on if I saw the store, but I think I might want to keep the shorts. But again, let me know. Do I look okay in them? Because yeah, I don't always wear shorts. When I do, they're like more like comfy, but those are actually really comfortable. But yeah, so again, if I kept everything, it'd be $145.60. Or if I keep 3 or 4, I still save 25%. So right now I'm leaning towards this dress, the maxi, and the red shorts. So I would still save 25%. So just out of curiosity for myself, and I'll let you guys know too, I'm gonna do that math right now. All right, so the total for those 3 items would be $136, and 25% of that is $34. So that's a good chunk of change to save. That's like one of the items pretty much for the less. So I would have to pay $102 if I decide to keep what I want. But yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts again, because it's just like $45 more to keep everything. But I just think the 2 dresses maybe are too tight in the bust. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Definitely take advantage of that $10 off if you want to join and try it out for free. Why not? I guess I forgot to mention, once you get your box, they say you have 3 days to try them on and pick what you want to keep or return. But they do offer an extension. You just have to shoot them an email and they will gladly extend it. Like they did that for me since I was sick. I like literally could not speak. So I had them extend it and they did so, and they got back to me really quickly. So they're really cool over there. But yeah, I forgot to mention that. So I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions about the service or anything like that, definitely leave a comment down below. But I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.